Right. All right, March 10, 2022. We're into week 20 of major construction. I'm now down here at the City Hall, Lagoon, and Civic Lawn area, shooting back over into the East Bowl there. Social Hub will be there. And the Civic Lawn out here on the bridge deck. Looks like they're doing more digging and trenching through here, so there may be yet more storm drainage to be laid down. Activity over in the West Bowl area. Some trucks up there. Looks like it might be more drainage work. It's hard to tell from here. But I don't think there's yet much activity down in the East Bowl right now. But it does look like we have more possibly storm drainage work here, draining this area out, which I'm not sure where they're going to connect to here. And I can see there's a backhoe, front end loader back over in the what'll be the gateway area from the West Paseo into the West Bowl, working over there. So this is what we have going on down here right now at the City Hall area. So I'm going to finish this up here and then move on around to the East Bowl, and then I'll move on around to the West Paseo, western end of the project. Right, here I am down at the East Bowl now, shooting from a different position here today. But again, I don't see any activity much down in the East Bowl going on. I do see some new development over here though. Over here where this red truck is, it has fence on it, so it could be, oh come on. Over here where this red truck is, has some fence on it, so I do believe they're maybe going to fence off more of this area over here, shut off this little back corner that I've been filming in. So I might not be able to film over there anymore. But this is what's happening down in the East Bowl here, which is not very much. I'm going to move on now to the West Paseo. Going to move on now to the West Paseo area and film over there. Alrighty, having some gimbal troubles today again. I don't know what the issue is. Must be some software issue or something. Alrighty, finishing this up now. Right, March 10, 2022. Time is 11:08 a.m. Mountain Standard Time down here at the West Paseo. Seeing what's happening down here today. And looks pretty much the same as it did last time I was down here. Don't really see much difference. So, more activity down in front of City Hall, as I shot just a little bit earlier. So I'm going up here a little bit higher, but I don't see much going on down here. West Paseo, pretty quiet overall. We're at Chapman. Out into the West Bowl there. Again, not much activity down here either today. Looks pretty much the same as yesterday to my eye, but I might have done some subtle little things that I can't really tell. So this is what we got going on down here in the West Paseo. Righty, I'm going to end this here. I think my last stop today, I'll go over to the library steps, shoot over there. I don't see much activity down here at all today. That's detectable anyway. Alrighty. Right. Here I am down by the library steps now. Shooting across into the social hub. East Bowl back this way. Again, not much activity down here that I can see. Activity over here in the West Bowl. Looks like it's flood drainage that they're working on. You can see the flood drainage pipes over there back, so I think they're working on that. So that's what we have going on here. Still some flood drainage work going on in the West Bowl. And back over here where I was by City Hall where the little backhoe is, I think they're also doing flood drainage work down there. So that's what we got going on down here today. No major activity. Some of it just seems to be continuing work with the flood drainage, as far as I can tell. So that's what we got going on down here. I think I'll take a moment just to switch over to my telephoto lens for shooting into the West Bowl here. Hang on. Right, here I am on my telephoto lens shooting down into the West Bowl area. I can see the big front end loaders back down in there moving some dirt or something back over there, just beyond the sound barrier. So I'm doing some stuff back over in front of the Performing Arts building. What I can see there, so I'll just pan around with my telephoto lens here. Go back here for a second. Got a good shot of the bridge deck sign there. If I can get it. Bridge deck sign right there. Just making sure they protect that area above drink water. So I'm gonna pan around here with my telephoto lens back over to the East Bowl. There. That's what we got going on down here today, which is very little. So I'm gonna finish this up here, I think, and back around. Finish this up over here. Call it a day. Got the water truck coming up here. So I think I'll call it a day here. Finish up, go back home, get my editing going, and get this posted. Alright.